Hello and welcome to the YRE Virtual Gallery Controls tutorial. Today I'll be going through the simple controls of how to navigate the gallery using a mobile device version. So, main and most important points: how do you walk? You have the bottom left point where we have a little Joy-Con allowing you to go left, right. Then we have a backwards and forwards movement. And then to obviously maneuver and look around, we have the right side of the screen where touch wherever you like, maneuver just like this, and then pinching allows you to zoom in and zoom out. We'll proceed closer inside the actual gallery, and you can see here that you can find the welcome screen. Welcome screen here will give you information from our various amounts of social medias that we have available, and I'll give you an example of which ones you can interact with. So we'll go towards the LinkedIn one. You get small icons that will appear. These small icons will allow you to go to zoom in, enlarge it, and the most important one being the info icon. This gives you a bit of a close-up, a bit more information on the actual icon itself, and also a link. You press on the info icon, taking you directly to our LinkedIn page. You press done when you're done with it. You press X, tap on the screen, and it's all cleared. You then also have here our guided tours on the bottom right. Guided tours simply allows you to go through the gallery without having a more direct path and to follow an exact direction that we designed. You click on the YRE gallery. Here you can see all the various amounts of points you'll go to. To start, you press play. It will simply begin at the entrance on the welcome screen, and as the timer counts down, it will move on to the very next one, which we can just skip along right like this. Now, when you come across each section, you can pause, you can go back to the other spot if you wish, and then pause it again, and you can go back to controlling it the way you want to, looking around, interacting with things, and so forth. We'll move on to the first picture here from our one take photo category winners and our first place winner from South Africa. Here you can see the actual picture, which you can have the many icons I said before, the zoom in, the enlarge, and the info icon. Very importantly, the info icon has a lot of information and a bit more on what this piece is. It will also direct you towards our exposure page, and in the exposure page you can scroll as you would on the website, no problem, accessing various different things and more information that you wish to dive into. Then on each one of the plaques we have here, the plaques themselves, if you click on them and click on the eye icon itself, it will show you the name of it. And unfortunately on the mobile device version, you can't quite access the social media ones, but if you are using the desktop versions, you'll be able to be directed to everyone's social media platforms, no problem. And then we'll continue onwards by giving you a quick little skip around on the different winners that we have here. Move forward to the next ones, second place winners here, and then you can fast forward to different numbers on the right side of the screen where you can go to say number 14, which will go all the way across here to our video categories and stop you right here. Now with videos themselves, you can have to, most of them will be YouTube videos, and the way they work is simply by just tapping on them and they'll be
أعزائي المشاهدين، عزيزاتي المشاهدات.
And these videos will play naturally throughout the entire time when you're in the gallery, and you can simply maneuver around and just let it be its thing right there as it is, and you can continue onwards with the exhibition, and that video will still be playing in the background until it's finished, or you pause it just like I did. And then over here, we can simply just close down the actual virtual tour, which will be just pressing the top left to close it, and then pressing the X to close it down fully. And then right down to the very end, we can see that there's a little teaser that is coming very, very soon for our boat seat gallery coming in the coming month. Thank you very, very much. Hope you've enjoyed this, and we'll see you very soon. Bye-bye now.